Oh, hello guys! Today in this video I thought I'm gonna show you the progress that I made on the Fedora install bash script. This is the very first bash script that I did a while ago. Well, it needed some updating, it needed some fixing up, it needed some touch-ups here and there, and I tried to do that. Plus, I did similarly to the Linux Mint restructure. So let's have a quick look at it. Okay, so let's just first start up the VMware machine that we did in the last video. I'm gonna use this one that I have already installed Fedora for this video, and we're gonna try and see what's new, what's different, what I changed in the script. Okay, so this is a brand new virtual machine of Fedora. I just installed it, just updated it, and get it ready for this video. So let's just go a little quick to the GitHub page of mine. Okay, and navigate to the Fedora install. I still have some changes to do, but as you can see, I already did it pretty similarly to the Linux Mint. I'll show you. This is the last one I did, inspired by this great guy Eric Dubois from the Arco Linux actually. So let's go have a quick look. The base still is pretty the same as before. It's adding some RPM Fusion repos, it's adding some multimedia, some sound and video codecs, and some extra software that are not installed out of the box in Fedora. I do install the NVIDIA drivers because I am using NVIDIA with all the Vulkan packages. I am adding Flatpak, and if you are on GNOME, you can install the GNOME extensions and GNOME tweaks to your system, so you can further customize. If you want to, you can further customize your system. Now when you go to the remove, I did remove some packages that I'm not gonna use, like Cheese and LibreOffice and Simple Scan. I might add couple more here. If you are on the KDE spin, I remove all the KDE suite, some games and stuff that I don't really use and like. Now the install, here I'm adding the Sublime from the Sublime web page, and mostly I moved the installation of the software here to the FlatHub and Flatpaks. So as you can see, I am installing pretty much everything with couple of exceptions from the Flatpak. The only thing that I do with DNF is VLC, Git and simple screen recorder. Now before you even start using the script, I again needs to tell you that please open every single one of them, take a look at them, change wherever you need to change, and then run it if you want. Now the last thing is well, gaming of course. And this is pretty simple. I'm adding the Wine HQ repository, installing the Wine HQ staging, plus some installation of Steam and Utris. And that's it. I might have to change a few more things, but this is go with the time. And now let's go to the page. I'm gonna download it and show you little quick how to install it. Okay, just extract it, open the folder, and all you need to do is open the terminal here, change again mode, make it executable, and the file that you need to do executable is the 00, and just tap for the completion and hit enter. Now as you can see it's a different color, so you can run this script. Once again, before I forget, if you don't want to use the terminal for this, just right click on the file, go to the properties, and all you have to do is, well, this might be unchecked for you, just executable as program, I'm sorry. Just make it blue, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Now we can run the script little quick. Well, it's not gonna be that little, neither that quick, because of the old Flatpaks that I have. They gonna take a little longer to install, but I just might speed up the video here. So let's see. Again, I might speed up the video here. I don't want to waste too much time on this. So I'll see you when the script is done. Okay, so the script is done. I think it ran fine, no surprises, no issues, which is always a good thing. And before I go, I just want to point out once again, I know I repeat myself, but before you decide to run this script, please do open every single file, inspect it, see what I'm doing, what I'm installing. If you don't like something or you don't use something, for example, let's go to the install. I don't know, if you don't really know what the hell is Viber or you never use it, just put a comment in front of the line, or even better, delete the whole line. That's gonna skip this package when starts installing. Just save it and now you can run it. Another easier thing is, if this whole section, if you are not gamer or you're not interested in gaming at all, you don't need this whole section. Just open the current and again put a comment in front of it, or if you want you can just delete it. That's it. Just save it, close it, and now if you still want to run it, just run it. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go now, and before, I just want to ask you if you have any suggestions, if you see something that I can improve on or anything, you just, well, put it in the comment section down below. I'll be really appreciating every single comment and every single suggestion. So I'll leave you now and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.